Hey everyone, myself Abhijit Patil. I'm a student of Dayanand College of Commerce and also a BBA first year student. And today I'm going to share a book review of Can We Be Strangers Again, written by Srijit Sandhyala, a MBA student, my future. So, this book is basically based on love, heartbreak, moving on. And it shows how two people were once very close, and by the time slowly became strangers. And the title itself, Can We Be Strangers Again? And this is the main reason I bought this book. But what makes this book special is its emotional honestly. It doesn't glorify heartbreaks. Instead, it shows how pain teaches maturity, patience, and acceptance. And these three words are very special because every human being face these things actually. So each chapter feels like a conversation with one's our own heart, raw, reflective, and real. Characters are not perfect because this is based on a real life. A MBA student. He was an MBA student in Bangalore, and this book is basically his biography. And he beautifully he has written his experience and what he feel, what he has experienced, and and that's why this book is super really relatable. And that's why this book is bestseller, I guess. So one of my favorite lines in this book: sometimes moving on doesn't mean forgetting, it means learning to live with memories. Basically, this is very deep. If you know, you never know. So let's move on. The book also tells us that not every relationship ends with hate, बट कभी कभी रिश्तों का ख़त्म होना गलती नहीं होती, ज़रूरत होती है. बिकॉज टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप आर नॉट मेंट फॉर healthy relationship, right? Let me. That's a separate topic. I really liked how the author expressed feelings without making it complicated. हर एक लाइन सिंपल है पर इमोशनल्स स्ट्रॉन्ग है और ब्यूटिफुली रिलेटेबल है, सीरियसली. और when I finished the book, I felt sad but peaceful at the same time. It teaches, but it's more important to love yourself. बिकॉज अगर तुमने खुद को ही खो दिया उस सफ़र में जहाँ तुम दोनों साथ होना चाहते थे, तो क्या फ़ायदा? That's how it works. Imagine, sorry, in my view, this book, it's a mirror of modern relationship where love and distance are just for fun. Nothing matters in the modern relationships. It teaches that sometimes letting go is the most loving thing you can do. Now, honestly, this thing hurt me the most. एंड ये बुक मैंने इसलिए खरीदी क्योंकि मैं चाहता था कि मुझे एक आईना दिखे मॉडर्न रिलेशनशिप का, बिकॉज आई एम अ टीनेजर एंड यू नो हार्मोनल चेंजेस आर मोस्ट हैपन्स इन दिस टीनेज. एंड दिस बुक कैन यू बी स्ट्रेंजर्स अगेन ब्यूटिफुली represent how people can change. I will not spoil the interest of reading this book. एक्चुअली द वीडियो इज़ टू लॉन्ग. और मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि शायद मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी ने भी किसी मॉडर्न रिलेशनशिप या प्यार पर कभी किसी ने बुक रीड की है. सो आई हैव टू डू दिस. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.